multi-view camera system. So we're gonna go in there. We're gonna do the front camera. We've got everything set up in the front. Reasons for calibrating this system. We pulled the front bumper off, let's say. We had to get in there and change a condenser, change a headlight, something that's not even related to a collision, you know, totally mechanical. You're still gonna have to get in there and calibrate this front camera, I'm sorry. So, A and B are what our users have on all of our other on all of our other frames. Option C is going to be unique to the IA1000 and it's going to utilize the automated AVM lasers. So we're going to go with option C. This is where I'm going to show you guys option B, the uneven floor compensation, right? So when I choose option B, we're going to have a few more tools that we need to grab. The four-wheel targets. We're going to need a steering wheel lock. We're going to have to lock the steering wheel so that when we roll it, front wheels don't move, right? We're going to capture the angle under the car and we're going to set everything up to that angle. This is the space we need around the car. This is for the whole system. Again, we're just working on the front, so we're only gonna need those couple of feet in front of the car, which we have. So that preparation screen is back. Just make sure the car is ready. Again, fuel, tire pressures, alignment is good, free of cargo. Obviously all the sensors are clean. Once you're ready there, same as before, we're gonna do a automatic zeroing of the IA1000. It's going to go to its starting position. So again, it can recycle our rolling comp data. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to install the lasers and then I'm going to go put this car in neutral. So the AVM lasers used in conjunction with extensions so that when they are mounted to the frame and they are spread to the correct location, they can go beyond what the crossbar can do and will actually shoot the lasers down the side of the car. You'll see that in a moment. But to install them, you're just gonna slip them down onto the sliding laser plate, and then you're gonna twist this lock in the front, keep it from going anywhere. All right, and you're gonna do that to both sides. So you're gonna install, and you're gonna lock. Oh, and don't forget to turn on our lasers. Oops. So when you turn on the lasers, you have power, and then after a few seconds, you'll get your Bluetooth light. All right, so we're in the right space. We're gonna get that reminder to take off our wheel clamps, and now we're gonna spread our lasers to the correct distance. So those are gonna go left and right. The lasers are connected, again, just like the TVs. So once they're connected, we're gonna hit the start button. Those two lasers will then turn on and align to each other. So the left will look at the right, right will look at the left. Both of those lasers will then overlap. And after they are overlapped, we will then get our lasers going down the side of the car. And those lasers will reach way past the end of the car. It's gonna help us set up our AVM targets around the car. So we've got our lasers lined up. We're gonna hit next. And now we're gonna get the instructions for the AVM placement. So some AVM placement will go in front of the car. Some AVM placement only goes on the side of the car. So depending on the car, depending on the target that you're using, you would just have to lay your target out along these laser lines correctly. And that's it. There's no measurements, there's no points to make, there's no lines to draw, there's no mistakes. And again, this is one of the most time-consuming calibrations. So if you can take this 1 hour calibration and turn it into 15 minutes, you can do 4 times as many calibrations. So, oh, this has to be for the front camera. So for the front camera, you would want to line it up along the edges of the target. So for this one, you have your line here on your white box, and you have your green laser here running across the front edge of the target. Just gonna make a small adjustment there. And that's where you would wanna be for the AVM placement on your front target. If you were to do a side camera, same concept, but you would go to the side. So then you would take your targets and line them up like this, all along the laser lines, and that's it. Now your setup for AVM is done. So for this particular calibration, we actually needed 2 of these targets next to each other, side by side, along the lasers, left side, right side, same thing. Fortunately, we only have the one, so I can't actually command the calibration to run, but this is the entire procedure for the setup. After this setup, you would literally just hit the button and it would calibrate. All right, so again, I don't have that second one. I do have to abort the procedure, but for, let's say, the right side camera, let's say we're doing the entire job, has the calibration frame been moved? You can hit no, and the frame will automatically pick up where it left off on the front camera, make any minor adjustment it needs, and now it's going to allow us to place the targets along the side of the car in those correct positions.